She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe might be one that you've heard before, maybe not. We're going to go ahead and make a tasty King Ranch chicken casserole. So in this case, there is no ranch inside this dish. It's called King Ranch because of a large cattle ranch in Texas. It's supposed to be one of the largest ranches in the country. So why not give a nice Texas-sized meal for today's recipe? So these are the ingredients that we will be using today to make the King Ranch chicken casserole. And together these ingredients are going to help create a delicious Tex-Mex flavor that you're going to love. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out, appreciate that. And if you aren't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so this is the King Ranch chicken casserole. We've got layers and layers of flavor throughout this Tex-Mex inspired casserole. Wonderful, creamy, and delicious flavors of that chicken and the peppers and tomatoes and onions and chilies. Definitely gives off that Tex-Mex feel, guys. You can go ahead and serve this by itself or eat it with some chips or some rice or some fresh veggies. Either way, it's definitely going to be one of your favorite new ways to take a twist on the traditional casserole. So go ahead and try the King Ranch chicken casserole today. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this wonderful recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever had King Ranch chicken before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.